Hi all and welcome back to another exciting video by Crypto Bros. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe our YouTube channel and to activate your bells so you can receive notifications and can be up to date. And remember that we don't intend to give any financial advice. We just simply analyze different recent projects that we consider interesting, original, trendy, or even risky or wherever. So please do your own researches before investing on them. And today we are going to analyze a recent project. It was launched yesterday, 28th of February, which is called MultiMatic, and which is pretty similar to a previous one that we analyzed, which is called Matic Staker, and which we'll review a little bit again later. So these Ponzinomics, because basically they are based on the first that comes, the first that has more possibilities to take out their Matics, in this case with some profits. These Ponzinomics are pretty easy to be invested on them. So basically you have to connect your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, and please don't forget to change your network to operate through the Polygon network. Okay, so it is very important to change the network to Polygon. And then basically you have to choose one of these packages, helium in this case, which has low risk, moonboy which has moderate risk, or dolphin clam, and you will have your Matics in this case stake during different periods of time. And if you are able to hold them during this period, you finally will receive an amazing return of the investment. So basically with this first package, you can receive a total return of 157.9% with a withdrawal tax of a 10%. Then, so basically, if you deposit 1,000 Matics, you will receive 1,421.10 Matics, which is pretty good after the withdrawal tax. If you decide to invest in this moderate 21 days package, you will receive with an investment of 1,000 Matic 3,185.80 Matics. So imagine, if you don't want to risk so much, you can do it with an investment of 100 Matics, which are right now more or less $160. So you will receive 300 and almost 19 Matics, which will be around $500, which is great. And if you want to take a high risk, because these Ponzinomics normally can be sustainable more than 1 month, but if they have the enough supporters and they add investors and so on, you can reach the return on investment maximum almost at 1,000%. That without the withdrawal tax will be around 6,500 Matics, which is incredible with an initial investment of 1,000 Matics. So if you want to do the exercise with 100, you can check that you will receive 700 and almost 50 Matics, which is anyway amazing. Okay, so I mean, it seems to be easy money, but the truth is that we have checked that these projects can be able to give what you have invested with these benefits, as we have checked in Matic Staker. It started basically with a small daily return. It was around 10, and now it has increased to a 20%. So the total stake amount is amazing. It's almost 10 millions of Matic, and it started super slow, and now they are giving incredible returns. If you are if you want to do the platinum package, you are going to receive a 40,000 ROI. But the main problem that we see in this project is that it has almost 1 month of age. So why not starting with this one, which started yesterday, and it has increased in just one day to 736 investors, which is pretty good. And we can see that they have reached almost 343,000 Matics, which is pretty good. So in this Ponzinomics, as I repeat, the sooner you get in, the more probabilities you've got to receive your staked Matics with these benefits. Okay, so one possibility, one scenario could be start investing 14 days with low risk. It's probably going to last these days, and then you can invest some of the amount that you have received as profit in other more moderate or more high risk packages. Okay, well, it will be probably increasing these quantities when the project starts getting bigger and bigger. And here you can see that once that you have finished your period of staking, you can snooze every single day till 1 week more, and you will receive more returns even. And here, as we did on Matic Staker, we are going to let you to connect to this website through our referral link. You can receive some profits if you give your referral link and you have one deposit. So please connect through our link, which is down this video. And thank you very much for listening. I hope you can join soon to this recent project and earn a lot of profits. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Bye.